Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install and start Bully Anniversary Edition on your Android device. First of all, make sure that your Android device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is done, open your Google Play Store. Go to the search icon at the bottom and tap on it, and in the search bar at the top type in Bully and search. Look for Bully Anniversary Edition from Rockstar Games. Now, tap on Install right next to the game. Wait for the app to download and install, which will take several minutes, depending upon your internet speed. Once the application is installed, you'll see it in the shortcut. Tap on it to open up the Bully Anniversary Edition game on your device. But make sure that your device is connected to the internet for any required verifications or updates. And that's how you can easily play Bully Anniversary Edition on your Android device safely and legally. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.